Wonders of the United Kingdom. 1. Stonehenge, Wiltshire. This prehistoric monument remains shrouded in mystery. Constructed some 5,000 years ago, massive sarsen stones stand in cryptic alignment. No one fully sure of their purpose: astronomical observatory, ceremonial site, or something more esoteric. The Scottish Sun, time out worldwide, hand luggage only, visiting at dawn or dusk. The stones glow against the golden sky, leaving visitors in awe of ancient craftsmanship and cosmic connection. 2. Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. A geological wonder of approximately 40,000 interlocking basalt columns formed by cooled volcanic lava around 60 million years ago. Sidetracked. The hexagonal stones resemble a giant stepping stone pathway into the sea. Folklore tells of Finn McCool battling a Scottish giant, a narrative that enriches the raw geology. A UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Britain's premium natural spectacles. Sidetracked. 3. Lake District, Cumbria. A UNESCO park renowned for its serene lakes, craggy fells, and charming villages like Keswick and Grasmere. Hand luggage only. Happy to wander. Inspiration to Wordsworth and Beatrix Potter. Its landscapes offer peaceful boat rides, hiking Scafell Pike, and literary pilgrimages. Ullswater's steamer, Windermere's paddle boarders, and panoramic summits make this region a multifaceted outdoors paradise. 4. Durdle Door and Lulworth Cove, Jurassic Coast, Dorset. Durdle Door's natural limestone arch carved by sea and wind is an icon of Britain's southwest, time out worldwide. Nearby Lulworth Cove is a textbook example of coastal geology, chalk and clay eroded into a perfect cove, part of a UNESCO heritage site with approximately 500,000 annual visitors. Time out worldwide. Hike the cliff path or treasure hunt for Jurassic fossils. 5. Cheddar Gorge, Somerset. England's largest gorge, 122 meters deep, 4.8 kilometers long, forged by Ice Age glaciers. The Independent, places to see in your lifetime. Time out worldwide. With show caves, Goffs and Coxes, home to ancient stalactites, rich archaeology, and Britain's oldest complete human skeleton, Cheddar Man. It blends geology, history, and spelunking thrills. 6. The Cotswolds, England. Quintessential rolling hills and honeystone villages like Burton on the Water, Byberry, and Tetbury. Hand luggage only. A designated area of outstanding natural beauty, ideal for scenic drives, cozy pub culture, artisan food, and pastoral peace. A perfect antidote to city bustle. 7. Highlands and Isle of Skye, Scotland. The Highlands offer rugged peaks, deep glens, and mythical lochs. Arthur's Seat in Edinburgh, 251 meters, offers sweeping views, ranked among Europe's best by Premier in Research. The Scottish Sun. On Skye, the Ferry,